Even Nobi, and Joy, what sadness, all of them are working together inside.
Because I hope and give Mom Shimanak, I hope and give Greguba with Joy. She never grown lawyer.
Joy, I am the second emblem, 2 ages so. I am joy in the heart and I am sad in the heart. Him Jagabuno Ebuka obi. Ane Ebuka obi, Omena and Jari. Nkomere Kuba and GK, Uba Koshin Naya said that this man is really a pure arrange.
Chief is a woman and
Ask me Ebuka obi 1 year and G. Omere Kuba, Ome Bielo, where question by our Abakatan one. Thank you, question by a question by Anana, where we any meant anymore. Come in a Kuba. You got a bridge. Esmond bridge in the logical. Okay, he made a record the king a post. Are we at the go to you was your Quebudihuna? Apromo, Burichina, Galilula,
we'll make sure they have access to good medical care, to the university level, even to abroad. We must sponsor them. They are going to be like children of rich men. The doctors are already, some of them have been employed. Nurses have been employed. They will go to school. The elderly people will be taken care of free of charge. The less privileged children, free of charge. Everything here is free of charge.
Thank you very much.
Free feeding, 24 hours electricity.
Thank you very much.
Old people's home, Seraphic old people's home, and Seraphic orphanage. In your particular Nollywood, the less privileged. Your orphanage home. We old people's home. Oti no why name whether on your name, whether night, whether we whether you're not Christian. A Bruguni can go back at the Bogon Gahagi really free. As I can as home as I'm free. Nanya education. Nanya medication free. And when old man or old woman name was on your letter again. Bronega one nago. Gapogana Seraphic old people's home. She will be taken care of properly and adequately. Ebuka obi did this empty-handed.
That's all know your bag and do can they show you and they
where you're not gonna name Nege here, Nege here, nobody name here, and what anybody from your community that have ever thought of doing this. Ebuka obi have single-handedly done it. I'm an miracle. I'm a miracle, marriage. I'm a miracle, marriage. Is there any miracle that is bigger than this very one? A miracle out of Pambaburoni, Yagiji, Mombemon Ya Gossop, Mombema, what you have to not in one of the Hejime, Tineke, Ya Lord Jumoma, a also miracle. This one is the miracle, Anekumaka, the highest miracle ever in my life. Now, leave one. Woman, I need Hana, Ipabujo, we indeed won. Hotel, Ebana, when I'm now, Babalola, we go now. When you got somebody, you get a piano hotel. You get a job about private jet. You're going to educate a Mayopi. You're going to educate out in the men of God and they bleaching. You're going to them man. Yes, some Bacarian Puta, a bag is taken care of. Less privilege. You only hear why Hannah well does be somebody. Does be young one as a nation of here. Most of people now have Haga Tobiana does be. Oh, not about low. Ebuka obi anona dustbin ngana drum ya gi dump ya nwa ha bauru kama ga muta tufu muta deme aka asiri ha na school onye cho iga university o ga aga onye cho iga obodo Igbo akporo kwa ekposhi nga akpope. So there is hope for the living dog than the dead.
That's onye na enwe nne na now then when you got off outside the country yeah jama ga jama
odu ihe mkpu na enwuru less privilege aga azugide gị gị nrọ nga ahụ to ọwụrụ ịga school o we go ihe only choziri iwu in future nga nke ga with the fact they have given you a second hope. Oh, him could agla go back, give you some liability. Yeah, I can't have you share line. You know, he got a good Ebuka can go by right side. He got a bank option. No tension, Bamba, when attack Blashishi, talk out your head, make brain, issue job. I have visited all the bloggers' page. I have visited all their pages. None of you have ever opened mouth and speak good of this very one. Uno snow in your dog, you not to get a mistake. Everybody konya hemete here, Uno Briote, then do over one room. Have I got ink light? Has such a one cash, she a cook on you know. No, Ebuka obi this, Ebuka obi that. You got a prahadi me this time around. I have waited to see if any of them will post this, use it and blog it, tell people about it. But no, Unu see him about.
I'm gonna video Google can I done it together.
I will one of them. You will of him about. Your mother, you know.
How sure let me when they build in a set, I like our Panadia, the man of Papa Manadia, I got joke, and the man of Papolena Lily. On by Papun Gally, the King Amanda Manabananga Thomas Oroka. I have given you the good news. This is the number to call for those of you who are listening to me. Those of you in Deo Thomas, I want to get out to Ayabramoto, because people like you, where they always talk in you, and I know they get shish. Facebook will carry out 150,000. Osutali no constantly patrol. You know them on no come back and see what God is doing. See that God has used our brother Ebuka Obi to erect. He has given hope to the less privileged. That one alone. What do you hear more? So this man, no one. Only this one. He should be applauded for. I call on the Akabaya Mawaliala. When I will on your Kurota Aquatoya, some me weather. Put all men in home, I believe when I home. Ndo John Wash. Now because what program mad the question big up on my only inquiries. But this number on the screen, then every other inquiries make it properly. Agapolanga ha to ashe chi we kwense diga kega nwa ha nwa. You don't ga ha come on say mugu na ha magama nwa we could be. Chineke akpọ no go and make verification properly and come back and thank me later. Ihoma can now homa gbasa yo wo ihoma. Tomorrow na say ya kwala chi fu mu nobody paid me. I saw it and I said ihoma we hear me kusa gbasa o ihoma na emerem. And that is the reason I'm still moving forward because ihoma me ekuo ya. Mana grant na ihe ojo gesi ihe ojo kagama. I ga hu di ihe ojo wago wasa. Na menyo wura ha. Hey. Injina ha ya let me hala ni na 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 let me. Okay, what we have here. Mrepu. What can I bring at a biko? I got a man more changa. Check. I want to touch a joke. I want to get a joke very soon. I want to give a taprana moto. I got back at church. I'm not going to hang some kucha, papa, mamma, some kucha, Maratuka, Bakuka. Emma, come on, Nkruma, no go broadcaster. Seven Koji, we heard your name, Mekureno. Ibuka Daga, you could Delilah Lapagish.
Olilanya du meligwe, olilanya, onye leba kwebela, onye na-eru jeruzela, nwanyị isi te olila, ewo olila, a na-akọ gị ọnụ ebe ezila, ha na-amụ gị amụ ebe ezila, ha siri nweghị di ebe ezila, ha siri nweghị nwa ebe ezila, ha na-akọ gị ọnụ ebe ihe ama ga-emere gị ya, gị tinye ụkwụ n'elu olila, gị tinye aka n'elu olila, elelelele Chukwu si m gwa gị ya, onye na-ebe akwa olileanya dị olileanya dị olileanya dị Chukwu si m gwa gị ya, eluigwe si m gwa gị ya, onye na-ebe akwa ebezila, eleru jerezila, amara nnele elila, amara nnele olila, amara nnele akwa afọ itiri gị mana ọ bụghị pọshọn gị a ga-emere gị mba dị gị kwagide rụkwara nwụọ o siri n'ụkwara nta wee nwụọ hey ihe ka ọwụ no we dey play and we dey show. Yeah, we are cooking a meal and all of you have always enjoyed our meal, you know. Each time we cook, people always anticipate, people always enjoy the food and they say it's sweet. So this one will not be exceptional.